Hi, my name is Tristan Reed, and I'm a senior here at Juniata College. My POE is Information Technology and Philosophy, and this project was for managing advanced technologies in the spring semester of 2012. We worked on an interactive Google map of Huntington and Juniata campus for primarily prospective students, but also international students. And the purpose was really to advertise Juniata as being accessible. And even though we're situated in central western Pennsylvania, we also have a lot to offer from the community as well as the campus. So again, the purpose of the project really was to make Juniata more accessible and for students to be familiar with campus before they got here.